Hello everyone, I'm Julia from JetOctopus, and right now I'm gonna shoot you a small video about compare crawling tools. It is very essential to use it as your website is actively developing, and there are always different changes implemented, and it is very crucial to have the tool so to monitor the impact of all these changes, and you will definitely know which SEO experiments worked out and which had negative impact on your main SEO criteria. So let's have a look closer. We have two crawlings. The first one was made in January of 2019, and the second one was made in July. So we pick up any of it, then we enter compare crawl dashboard. We pick up the January crawling and we compare it with July one. Click on compare button, and you saw that it took us no time to restore the data, and actually we are really proud of it because it is a great pleasure to work with data without waiting tons of time for restoring the data. So here we see all the criteria in compare mode. We see the indexation in Dynamics, we see HTML in Dynamics, we see in links in Dynamics. In this particular case, we have negative dynamics. We see that critical issues within almost each of the section has increased, and we have opportunity to find out what exactly has increased. All these data are clickable, but I will show you it later on. I want to stress your attention also on this particular chart, which has numeric data, and here we see the evaluation of dynamics in percentage, and here the number of indexable pages has decreased for 62%, and it is definitely negative dynamics. That's why it is in red. On the other hand, we have not indexable pages dynamics, which is positive because not indexable pages are increased for 57%. That's why it is in green. All these data are clickable, so let's click on here. Not indexable pages. We are getting the list of it, more than 2000 URLs. And you have additional compare mode here with different filters. So this is the list of not indexable pages which dropped out of the new crawling comparing to the previous one. So they used to be in the previous crawling and right now they dropped out. If we filter new pages, we see new not indexable pages which are in the fresh crawling and they were not in the older crawling. Also, you may filter not indexable pages which exist in both crawlings, and all of this data, of course, you can export in Excel or CSV. So back to our compare crawl dashboard. You may also click on any of this data and you see the details of it, you see the dynamics of it, and you see how it is changed. And you may compare all the data within each of reports. You may see the dynamics of slow pages. So here we see that pages with slow speed, like around 2 seconds, here in the first scrolling there were just one URL with loading time 2 seconds. Let's see what has happened now. Now this is a negative dynamics and there are 82 URLs, new pages, one new page arrest, dropped out pages. So dropped out 8 pages, 82 URLs dropped out. So this is very suitable to use and to analyze any of the SEO parameter you are interested in. And here you may compare any historical crawling with the more fresh crawling. And it is very suitable to analyze the dynamics within 1 year, for example, because you spend some money, some time for your SEO and you had some goals and KPIs, and you can compare what you've got after 3 months, after 6 months, and 1 year. So we are really proud of this option, and we are glad to see you at our free trial to test it as well. And if you have any questions, we are here to help. Thank you for your attention.